Head over to the Camweara sign-up page. If you already have an account, just log in. Step 2. Open Dashboard. Once you're in, open your Camweara dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Step 3. Upload products. Next, it's time to upload your products. Choose the appropriate category based on what you're offering. For this example, I'm selecting clothing. Within clothing, you'll see 3 options: upper body, lower body, and full body. I'm going with upper body, 2D clothing. Step 4. Follow upload instructions. Before uploading, make sure to carefully read the instructions. You'll need to upload garment images with a model. Most importantly, make sure the image file name matches exactly with the product SKU from your website. Step 5. Upload image and save. Now, upload the model image and hit save. Step 6. Try on demo. You can now try on the uploaded 2D clothing using your own photo. For best results, use a straight pose with your arms relaxed and down. Recently uploaded garments will be shown below for a quick try-on. Once you're happy with the look, you can share your try-on or download the photo to share with others. And that's it. To integrate Camweara on your website, go to the Integration tab in the dashboard. Choose your platform, like Shopify, WordPress, or others, and follow the API instructions. If you're using Shopify, it's even easier. Just install the Camweara app from the Shopify App Store and activate it. If you're using your customers a smarter shopping experience, just try before you buy. Get started at camweara.com.